Sure, you could sprinkle berries on yogurt, or you could make something amazing. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enjoy a sandwich that just wouldn't be the same without one of my favorite fruits, strawberries. Go berry or go home with chicken strawberry poppy seed sandwiches. To get started, take a small bowl and combine a 1/4 cup of poppy seed dressing with a 1/4 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt. To assemble your sandwich, spread the poppy seed mixture on a whole grain wrap. Then, layer with a handful of arugula leaves. Arugula is rich in nutrients which can help reduce the risk for heart disease and high blood pressure. Next, layer coarsely shredded Hy-Vee rotisserie chicken breast, sliced fresh strawberries, thinly sliced red onion, and Hy-Vee chopped English walnuts. Walnuts provide texture and crunch, along with the omega-3 ALA, which helps support healthy aging. Sprinkle the wrap with thinly sliced fresh basil leaves and cut in half diagonally to serve. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.